So today we're at Great Country Timber Frames. We are a premium brand of the barnyard, and it's here we do all of our manufacturing of our post and beam barns and garages. January 28th, we're opening up our doors at our timber frame facility in Ellington, and we're going to have a really fun open house, lots of things in store. You're going to be able to meet our craft people here and get to tour our state-of-the-art timber frame facility. We actually cut all of our timbers on a state-of-the-art CNC machine. We'll have the machine running that day, and people will get to see how that works and how the timbers actually get cut. Timber frame barns and homes, pavilions, really any type of timber frame project we handle at this facility. And right now we're busy cutting out 2 timber frame barns, one in New Hampshire and one in Vermont. So we really ship our barns and our kits all over the country, which is really neat. So if you have a project in mind, absolutely would be an awesome day to come to our open house. And we're actually going to be building a trapper's cabin right on the shop floor, raising it from start to finish, which would be a really fun project to see happen.
So during the open house, you're going to be able to take a tour of the timber frame shop here, which you can see behind me, but you all know this is CT Live, and that means Taylor tries it. So today we're going to attempt to assemble a truss and then chisel a beam pocket? Yeah, this should be interesting.
Alrighty, we're going to teach you how to be a timber framer today.
Okay, let's do it.
You ready to assemble this timber truss?
I think so. So what do I need to do?
Alright, everything in timber framing is large. There's large saws, large hammers,
yes.
But right now we're going to assemble this, and we're going to ask you to pound in the oak pegs to assemble it all together.
Okay, sounds good. And I really dressed for the occasion, right? It's fine. Alright, so we're essentially just trying to guide this in.
Yeah, so it's all mortise and tenon, so guide the tenon right into the mortise pocket right here.
Yep.
And everything should fit nice and easily.
Right.
There you go. All right, you're a professional.
We're thriving.
Look at the size of this hammer.
Oh man, this is heavy. Okay, all right, what am I doing?
All right, so now you're just gonna tap this so that until this gets tight right there. Yep. Look at that, perfect. Don't be afraid to hit it hard. There you go, it's coming. Perfect, nice job. So this is a hammer used to pound the oak pegs in. Okay. So we're gonna start with one peg right here. The holes are lined up nice, and you're gonna pound it in until it's about this far out, about an inch and a half out. Wow, perfect fit. You are a professional.
I guess so.
All right.
So now that I'm a pro, they want me to try a couple of other different projects here. So what is this?
So this piece just came off the CNC machine, Taylor, and we're asking if you can cut out these corner pockets and make those squared off instead of rounded with these chisels.
Okay.
Is that something you can help with?
I think so. So how does it work?
All right, so this is a special tool. This is a corner chisel we use in timber framing. Yep. So you're going to put this right in the corner of this rounded pocket and a couple light taps with the hammer to get that chiseled off.
Okay, so right here?
Right there.
Okay.
That's perfect.
Am I doing it right? Harder?
Yep. Hold on, we're gonna go right. That's it, right there.
Okay. I do it?
That's it. Perfect.
Hey,
That's how you make a round corner, a square pocket. So for more information on the open house, you can go to our website, gctimberframes.com. Our open house event is Saturday, January 28th. It goes from 9 a.m. to noon.